Do you love bread, rice, potatoes, but you are scared that they will spike your blood sugar? You are not alone. These foods are high in carbohydrate, and most people with diabetes or insulin resistance are told to avoid them. But what if I told you that you can still eat them without harming your blood sugar if you just follow the right method? This guide will break down why certain carbohydrates spike blood sugar and others don't. 5 science-backed strategies to eat bread, potatoes, and rice safely. Best combination that prevents spike. Reward meal plan for stable energies. In this video, I will break down exactly how to eat these carbohydrate heavy foods safely, how to combine them with other foods, and give you science-based tips to avoid glucose spike. Stay tuned till the end because you will never look at carbohydrates the same way again. Understanding carbohydrate and blood sugar. Let's talk about the digestive process. When you eat carbohydrates, your body breaks them down into glucose, blood sugar. We have fast digestive carbohydrates. For example, white bread, white rice, baked potatoes. This cause rapid glucose spike, insulin surge, and crash. And we also have slow digestive carbohydrates. For example, whole grains, cooked potatoes, basmati rice. This cause gradual glucose rise and stable energy. When you eat them alone, your blood sugar rises quickly. This is called a blood sugar spike. Too many spike over time can cause type 2 diabetes, weight gain, fatigue, inflammation, and insulin resistance. But here is the good news. It's not just what you eat. It's also how, when, and what you eat with. Glycemic index and glycemic load. You might have heard about this thing, glycemic index. It measures how fast a food raises your blood sugar. High glycemic index, for example, white bread, white rice, mashed potatoes. They spike sugar quickly. Low glycemic index, for example, whole grains, sweet potatoes, lentils. This slow digestion, steady sugar level, but there is more. We also have glycemic load, which look at how much sugar a serving of that food will release. It's more accurate way to understand blood sugar impact on your body by how you prepare and combine it. Here are 9 powerful ways to eat carbohydrates without blood sugar spike. Number 1, always pair carbohydrates with protein or healthy fat. Never eat carbohydrates alone. When you pair them with protein or fat, it slows down digestion and reduces the spike. Example, bread combined with egg or avocado, rice combined with grain, chicken or beans, potato combined with olive oil or fish. Choose whole grains or high fiber options. Fiber slow sugar absorption. Choose whole grain bread instead of white bread, brown rice instead of white rice, sweet potatoes instead of white potatoes. Fiber also help you feel full longer and improve gut health. Eat vegetables first. Start your meal with a plate of non-starchy vegetables. This builds a fiber net in your gut that traps glucose and prevents spike, e.g., leafy greens, okra, cabbage, broccoli. This trick alone can reduce blood sugar spike by up to 30%. Add vinegar or lemon juice before meals. A tablespoon of apple vinegar or lemon water before eating can slow the breakdown of carbohydrate. It lowers the glycemic response and improves insulin sensitivity. Try drinking 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in a glass of water 10 to 15 minutes before meal. Cool and reheat your carbohydrate resistant starch. Do you know that cooling rice or potatoes after cooking turns some carbohydrate into resistant starch? Resistant starch resists digestion and acts like fiber, which means lower sugar impact. Tips: cook rice or potatoes. Let it cool in the fridge. Reheat and enjoy. This is the best. This method can reduce the sugar spike by up to 50%. Control portion size. Even healthy carbohydrate can spike in large amount. Use the quarter plate rule. 1/4 plate carbohydrate. For example, rice, bread, and potatoes. Avoid eating carbohydrate on an empty stomach. Don't eat bread or rice first thing in the morning or when you are starving. Your body absorbs it faster, causing a bigger spike. Eat balanced meal with fiber and protein to reduce this. Walk after eating. A 10 to 15 minutes walk after a carb-rich meal help your muscle use the glucose, reducing your blood sugar by up to 30%. Movement is medicine. Use it. Eat slowly and mindfully. When you chew slowly and enjoy your food, your digestion improves. Faster eating equals to sugar spike. Put your fork down between bites. Give your body time to process. Biggest mistake people make. Let's also cover the don'ts you need to avoid. Eating white bread with jam or soda. Overeating rice without protein or vegetables. Drinking fruit juice alongside with potatoes and other carbohydrates. Eating carbohydrate late at night and going straight to bed. These are surefire ways to spike your blood sugar and promote fat storage. Best carbohydrate choices for blood sugar control. If you want to enjoy carbohydrate and still be healthy, choose grains, sourdough bread, low in glycemic index, sprouted grains bread. Best rice option: brown rice, basmati rice, low in glycemic index, black rice, and red rice, rich in antioxidants. Best potatoes: sweet potatoes, rich in fiber, boiled or baked, not fried. Always cool and reheat for resistant starch. Use a glucose monitor. Want to know exactly how your body reacts to bread, rice, or potato? Use a continuous glucose monitor, CGM, or check your blood sugar 1 hour or 2 hours after eating. This gives you data to understand your personal response. Everybody is different. Some people tolerate rich better than bread and vice versa. You don't have to fear carbohydrate. With the right knowledge, you can enjoy rice, potatoes, bread without damaging your blood sugar. Remember, eat fiber first. Pair carbohydrate with protein or fat. Use vinegar. Portion control and cooling. Move after meal. Choose quality carbohydrate. Indeed, learning never ends and nature heals. In case you don't know me, I am Chinenye Harriet, and if you like natural remedies, like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to click on the notification bell. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.